Hi, this is Ray with Aqua Clean Power Washing, and I just want to show you this project that I'm working on today. Did a whole bunch of different things for these homeowners today. The first thing I did for them was to clean all of their hardscapes for them, including the front porch there, the front walkway, and then the driveway down there, and then also the retaining walls for them. I also cleaned all the vinyl fence for them in the back, and then also cleaned the house for them and the windows for them. And the process that we use for cleaning houses is not a high pressure process. We actually use soap solutions to clean them to gently remove the organic staining on them versus blasting them with high pressure. I actually went to a Hardi Plank Siding house like this a couple of years ago in Tenafly, and the customer was curious as to what had happened to their house because somebody had come in and actually blasted the house with high pressure and damaged the siding. That is not something that we teach in our industry. Our industry is actually all about soaps and gently removing the organic staining versus blasting the house with really high pressure. And here you can see the house from this angle. Something else we do as part of our cleaning process is to treat all the plants with a Miracle-Gro type of product. That's all part of our plant protection process. It's also one of the major deficiencies that our industry has because a lot of companies cut corners by not properly taking care of plants. And you can also see the driveway and the retaining walls that were done here. Everything's still a little bit wet, especially the retaining walls, so it doesn't look 100% uniform, but you can see how bright everything is and how clean everything is. And we clean driveways like this. We do a two-part process. The first step that I do is to power wash it using something called a rotary surface cleaner, and then I post-treat it afterwards with a soap solution that kills that organism that's growing on the pavers, and that makes the cleaning job last 4 to 6 times longer than traditional power washing. Here you can see how nice the garage doors have come out. Now they have something else going on here too, which the customers did not want to address as part of doing this job. You can see where they've got some heavy minerals on the retaining wall going down. That is something that can be removed. It is a little bit of an expensive process because we have to use something to dissolve that calcium that's built up there. So it is a very labor intensive and chemical expensive process. You can see how it's still a little bit wet here, so it's not 100% uniform. If you'd like to learn more about the services that we offer, you can call us at 201-424-1800 or visit our webpage at www.gentlepowerwashing.com, and that plugs into the theme of the type of work that we do. We don't blast stuff with high pressure because that's a very ineffective way to clean things. We use soap solutions because they work a lot better, and they also make the cleaning work last 4 to 6 times longer than traditional power washing. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a blessed day.